like an octopus. And its little eye splash. And then that's like the creepy part of the story. Oh wait, it doesn't have sound. That's important. It's part of the creepiness.
The knob controls what?
Like his light and the sounds. And he starts disappearing because the ghost is eating his soul.
Why am I
That's like one more time. One more time. Wait, let me go back. You're so happy at the beginning. Oh, it's not meowing.
Maybe the sound plays first or later?
No, because it has to go to 100 and it's just going to 99.
Oh, damn it.
I know.